Hey, it's Manny from TeamGantt. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use a responsibility assignment matrix to streamline your project management. We'll cover what a responsibility assignment matrix is, the popular RACI framework, some alternative frameworks, and how to easily assign RACI roles within TeamGantt. So let's talk about what a responsibility matrix is and why it's important in project management. Also, make sure to check out the description for links to all of the resources mentioned throughout this video. So, what is a responsibility assignment matrix? A responsibility assignment matrix, or RAM, is a tool used in project management to clarify roles and responsibilities for tasks within a project. It maps out who is responsible for what, making sure that you have clear accountability and reducing stress. By defining roles, it helps make sure that everyone knows their duties and tasks are efficiently managed. The most popular and common responsibility assignment matrix framework is the RACI model. RACI stands for responsible, accountable, consulted, and informed. Let's go ahead and break down each of those roles. Responsible refers to the person or people who do the work to complete the task. They're responsible for getting the work done or making decisions. Accountable is the person who ultimately is answerable for the task's completion. They delegate work as well as review it to make sure that it meets standards. Consulted involves people who provide input based on their expertise. They're typically subject matter experts who offer advice or information necessary for the task. And informed includes those who need to be kept up to date on the progress or completion of the task. They're not directly involved, but need to be aware of new developments. You can click here to see our in-depth article on RACI roles, as well as download our free Excel RACI template. Also, make sure to hit that like button, as well as subscribe for future videos. Now let's talk about some alternative frameworks you might use instead of RACI. While RACI is widely used, there are several other models that can be beneficial depending on your project's needs. RASCI adds a support role to the RACI model. The support role includes individuals who will assist on completing the task. RACI-VS includes a verifier role who will check the work, and a signatory role who will approve the work. CAIRO stands for consulted, accountable, informed, responsible, and omitted. It's similar to RACI, but adds an omitted role for tasks that do not involve certain individuals or groups. DACI stands for driver, approver, contributor, and informed. It emphasizes the driving force behind the task, the approvers, and those contributing to the effort. That being said, each of these frameworks can be tailored to fit the specific needs of your project and your team dynamics. So, how do you assign RACI roles in TeamGantt? Let's go ahead and walk through the steps. First, create your project plan in TeamGantt. Outline all of the tasks and subtasks that need to be completed. Then, identify and assign the responsible person or team to each task. Next, delegate the accountable person. This is typically the project manager or team lead who will make sure that the task is completed according to standard. After that, determine who needs to be consulted. Those individuals will provide input and expertise as the task progresses. And finally, identify those who should be informed. An example could be a stakeholder who needs to receive updates about a task's progress and completion. TeamGantt allows you to easily assign these roles by tagging team members and setting up notifications, making sure that you have clear communication and accountability throughout the project. In summary, a responsibility assignment matrix, especially the RACI framework, is a powerful tool for clarifying roles and responsibilities in your project. It helps provide accountability, improve communication, and streamline project management. By leveraging tools like TeamGantt, you can efficiently assign and manage these roles, leading to more successful projects. You can find links to our RACI template as well as sign up for a free TeamGantt account where you can assign RACI roles automatically in the description below. TeamGantt is a simple and easy to use project management tool that can bring clarity, relieve stress, and boost efficiency in your team and projects. TeamGantt has 4 different views because we know that everyone learns and works differently. So why should you all have to work the same way when planning a project? Not only do we have a Gantt chart, but we also have a list view, calendar view, and Kanban board view that all work together. So go down to the description and sign up for your free account today. Hey, if you found this video helpful, I'd really appreciate it if you hit that like button, as well as subscribe for future videos on personal and project management. Again, my name is Manny, and I'll see you guys next time.